that's okay. But as you heal, don't just focus on whatever happened, because you might miss out on something that is divinely coming in, and it is a new opportunity. But if you're focused on all that happened and you're not focusing on what it may bring you, you might be missing out. So as you're healing, don't say no to all of the opportunities that the universe might be giving you. Hey Taurus, it is CG from the Galactic Soul. How are you? Welcome in. If you guys are new here, this channel is about spirituality, tarot, universe, anything crazy like that. So if that is right up your alley, please definitely hit subscribe. Today we are going to talk about the energy for Taurus, for multiple Taurus. Again, this is a collective reading today that we're doing. But overall, the energy right now is kind of crazy. So let's see what is going on for you today. All right, so, let's see what's starting out. So starting out, we do have the King of Swords. King of Swords is very much like, oh, I'm the protector of logic. I'm the protector of your thoughts. Anything having to do with an idea, brain, I don't know. But so the protector of those processes, making decisions. Sword is facing north or up in this photo, or in this drawing. So when the sword is facing up in tarot, the decision has not been made yet. So you are very protective right now over all of your thoughts and making sure that you are really making the right decision here. You do want to be something else, but you just aren't 100% sure on who you are, Taurus. You feel like there are... So Spirit really likes to pinpoint certain things in the card for me to look at when I am reading. And they are making me focus on the smallest little thing in this, and it's these two little birds. Spirit is making me focus on those two little birds, and those two little birds I really feel represent like you wish you could fly away. And you're very much like, oh, I hope this. Oh, maybe one day. Oh, very futuristic, not really. You are holding yourself back a little bit. You're very worried about you're very apprehensive about making this decision because it's a big one. It's a big change. You're not really 100% sure, but you want to be able to just throw out your wings and fly away. But again, it's easier said than done, right? You really can just drop everything and go, right? That is what is so lovely about this life. We really can just let go of everything and move forward. However, our emotions keep us in check there. But I feel like if you do take that leap, if you do just spread your wings and fly, I feel like you're going to be really successful. Reason being, we have the Sun card. The Sun card is everything to me in tarot. So we have the Sun card, and this little being, this little babe on this horse, the red royal robes flowing, the sun is shining, the sunflowers are greeting the sun. This is everything. This is happy. This is everything that you ever wanted, right? And this decision of taking the leap and everything, I feel like these two go together and then these two go together. So we're just going to talk about these really quick. I feel like you being the protector of this idea is a good thing. It's very good because you want to make that sunshine in your life, and you're like, will this really make it? But don't talk to yourself so much so where it's like carving every little detail and being like pros and cons list. That's not the vibe we're going for. Really, your guides and your spirit is giving you all of the intuitive hints that this is for you. This is your way of getting and making a positive impact on this planet, on the community around you, of the people that are in your life. This is huge. And even if that's you leaving home, you leaving the nest, because I'm trying to work in as many bird things as possible, leaving the nest, I feel like that's going to cause so much positivity for you, as well as your parents or your siblings or whatever. I feel like that chance to grow apart is very good for all relationships all around. The reason why I say that is because we have the Three of Swords and the Four of Cups. Now, the Three of Swords, a lot of people say that it has to do with heartbreak or somebody hurting you very, very badly, which totally could be it. However, I really look at the card as you are healing from something that really stabbed you, right? That first cut is the deepest, right? Sheryl Crow, I believe. But with the Three of Swords, it was everything to you, whether it was a relationship, whether it was a job, whether it was a specific, I know this is crazy, but I'm just going to say it, whether it was like a sport that you can no longer play. If it resonated for you, great. But even the littlest things like that, you are healing from something. And while you're healing, Four of Cups, you are focusing on whatever happened, right? You're focusing on whatever happened. And that's okay. But as you heal, don't just focus on whatever happened, because you might miss out on something that is divinely coming in, and it is a new opportunity. But if you're focused on all that happened and you're not focusing on what it may bring you, you might be missing out. So as you're healing, don't say no to all of the opportunities that the universe might be giving you. There is a big opportunity here, and I really think all of these do go hand in hand a little bit, but this is sunshine opportunity here, Taurus. This is sunshine opportunity, and you need to just go with it. You gotta just go. Ooh, anything else, Spirit, that Taurus needs to know? All right. So first off, ooh, we got the Magician. So Magician is you have everything you need, honey, in order to do it. You have everything you need. You have the cup on the table, you have your sword, you have your pentacle, you have your wand, right? And you also have this magic wand with two, oh, you can't really see it. Ooh, whatever. This wand up here has two flames, one on the top and one at the bottom. And you are pointing it to the sky, but you are also pointing below. Hi friends, just wanted to put a shameless plug in here about my free ebook available on my website, thegalacticsoul.com. It's super easy, and you go to the website, you click the first button that says free ebook, and then you enter all of your information, and bam, the free ebook is right in your inbox. The ebook goes over the basics of mediumship, how to start your journey connecting to the other side, and much, much more. Again, you can go to the website, thegalacticsoul.com, or you can click the link in the pinned comment below for more info. Now, back to the reading. So below, you are creating that balance between your higher self and your physical self, which is absolutely gorgeous. And you are setting a boundary of never-ending flow between that as well. But he is wearing a red cape or a red robe signifying royalty. And there are some roses spread out there. And roses in tarot also mean a lot of love, Christ consciousness. So this card is really telling you that you have everything you need in order to be successful in this new opportunity. Even though you may feel like you're totally missing it and not for you, it is for you. Now, we have the Five of Swords. I feel like there were many other people prior to you. Oh, crap. There were many other people prior to you being looked at for this opportunity, right? But they weren't using this. They didn't have the skills or the mindset that you have. They just gave up. It wasn't for them. They gave up. But you are taking every single thing from your past, every single lesson, every opportunity from your past, and you are pulling it into the present and being like, oh, I learned this here. So this is what happened, and this is how we went through it. And like, you have so much experience in how to do things, but all of those things pulled together, this position is this new job or opportunity. I'm just saying job because that's the vibe I'm getting. That's the vibe. All right. So I feel like everybody just didn't have the experience that you had, and you are able to pick out these specific instances, and you are able to, mold them into what you can use for this new opportunity. Now, King of Wands is a lot of king energy, 2 kings, right? King of Wands is very much about being loyal to this new passion, protecting this passion. Kings are very protective and father figure. And Wands is very much about passion, about going for it, charge, that kind of thing. So I feel like you are going to be very protective of this new specific opportunity because of you getting into the role and then being able to choose different things from your past that is going to make this successful. You think right now that you're not going to be that successful in this position, but really you are everything for this position. You are going to show so much caring and respect to this position and the people that are looking to you for answers. You are crushing it. You are that person. You're that leader. You are a leader, honey. Anything else? Yes. Oh my gosh, a lot. So I'm just gonna run right through this. Keeping up with traditions. The Hierophant, I'm just going to say the cards, and then if you want to look at them later, if you want to, whatever. We have the Hierophant, we have the 5 of Cups, we have the 2 of Cups, we have the 10 of Cups, and the Hanged Man. So this is really going to be a life-changing thing, Taurus, because you are going back to, I feel like it's not back to traditions as in, I think it's your traditions. Back to something that you used to do, you used to love. You are finding that again. For example, in high school, I would literally lock myself in my room and play guitar all the time and accompany myself and sing super loud. I'm sure my family did not appreciate it. However, I loved that, and I do sometimes get that urge of looking at my past, and that was one of my go-to tradition, right? And you want to look at this in a way where, oh, I wasn't successful before, but I might be now. I might crush it. And that's going to give you a better sense of self, where you have a better understanding, purpose, and of your higher self. You're really getting that, you're learning to listen to yourself, finally, Taurus. And you're going to get that 10 of Cups because you got a different perspective, the Hanged Man perspective, right? You are getting that different perspective doing this by just going for it, because you know what? You are healing your inner child. Oh my gosh. Taurus, you are healing your inner child right now. You need to take this opportunity. You need to go for it. Let's look at this very quickly. So 2 popped out. Take it as it resonates, guys. So we have Whale and Orca Elders. Share your song, frequency of sound, diving deep. Very strange that I was just talking about me being a musician. But anyway, share your song, frequency of sound, diving deep. Sharing your experiences. Sharing your experiences with others, allowing them to learn, allowing them to take the lead with you. Bring them with you. Pull them with you. Frequency of sound, really diving deep into your soul, into your center, and figuring out why this is such a click for you. Why does this make sense for you? The next card is Baby Steps, Action. Follow your intuition before it makes sense. I can't make this shit up. Baby Steps. I'll show you the card. I don't know if you'll be able to read it. But Baby Steps, Maybe you can read it. I'm not sure. Action. Follow your intuition before it makes sense. If it just literally makes sense for you, you need to go for this. This is the opportunity of a lifetime for you. This is a crazy opportunity for a lifetime. That flipped. Did you see that? That was incredible. I'm going to take it. Listen, bitch. You will get to where you want to be. It's fucking inevitable. You will get to where you want to be. I don't know. Can you see it? Either way. Alright? You will get to where you want to be. It's fucking inevitable. You need to understand that you need to just jump. You need to go. Literally fly out of the nest, as I was talking about before. Taurus, this is your reading right now. This is the energy right now. Of course, it can always change. We have free will, right? So definitely let me know in the comments what's going on in your life. I really want to know. And also definitely hit subscribe because I do a lot of readings throughout the months and throughout the year. So definitely keep up with your energy because then you can learn how to use it in your own life. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Many blessings.